ROG Strix G10 Gaming Desktop PC. ROG Strix G10 Gaming Desktop PC, Intel Core i7-11700, GeForce RTX 3060, 16GB DDR4 RAM, 1TB PCIe SSD, Wi-Fi 5, Windows 11 Home, G10 CH766, Hyper-Realism. It's on reach another level of PC gaming realism with the powerful 11th Gen Intel Core i7-1170 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060, 12GB, graphics with the visual fidelity of real-time ray tracing and the ultimate performance of AI-powered DLSS. Jump into the game. This gaming PC allows you to store all your game library in its high-performance 1TB M.2 PCIe SSD with Optane Memory Boosts, while also boasting a 16GB DDR4 RAM to speed up game load times. Hear everything, featuring DTS Headphone X technology. This gaming desktop delivers immersive high-fidelity 7.1-channel virtual surround sound for home theater quality audio through your PC gaming headsets. Make them stare. This 27 liters gaming computer puts critical components into a compact body and boasts a transparent side panel to see the internals illuminated by the glow of 20 LEDs powered by Aura Sync. Stay cool. Our pre-built gaming PC's thermal design features 2 isolated air chambers preventing heat from the CPU and GPU from warming up the power supply unit and storage drives. Price May 17, 2022. $1,449.99. The link to buy this product is in the description.
Perfect.